Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from the Dollar Bead box, and I will have a link for the subscription down there below the video in case you're interested in checking this subscription out for yourself. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. And by the way, there are actually two subscriptions here. There is the Dollar Bead bag and box. First, I will open the bag subscription like I always do. And in the bag we have check fire polish beads, two sizes, 3mm and 4. First I'll do the 3. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is 4, and this one 3. 3. Okay, first is matte topaz, which I'm thinking is this. Then there's crystal half copper, that's that one. Matte light peridot, and winter blue, that must be that one there. So this color right here, this yellowish color, is so popular right now. I went to the mall and I cannot believe how many shirts, pants, shorts I saw in this color. It's super popular. It's like a mustard yellow. And then the next one is the crystal half copper, which is really pretty. That's really pretty. And I actually love all three of these together. I think those are pretty together. And the next is the matte light peridot, and peridot is my birthstone. That's really gorgeous. I love that green. And this one is the winter blue, which I swore I've got this color before from the Dollar Bead box, but I want to say it was a 4mm. I don't think it was last month I got it. I think it's been some time. I don't know. I'll have to go and look through my stuff. Now for the 4mm, there is the true purple. That's a pretty color. And then we have the jonquil. This is gorgeous. I love this color. That's really pretty. And then there is matte emerald green. And I think I got this in 3mm last month. Those are pretty. And then this really gorgeous cobalt blue. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, put this away, and then I'm going to go to the box. Okay, I'm going to start with the strands, like I always do, but it's hard because I get distracted by all the other pretty things in the box. So those are pretty. I like those. Let's see here. Okay, those are all bagged. This one is stuck. Okay, number 1 is 6x8mm check glass squished oval jet or Oliver jet. So that's this one here. It's a really strange shape. See how it's oval from this side? But then you can turn it and it's narrow on one side because it's oval, and then long on the other side. It's a really unusual bead. It's pretty cool. And then we have 8mm check glass druck Alexandrite. And there's 24 pieces, so that's this here. So Alexandrite glass can look either blue or purple depending on the light that it's in. I don't know what color you're seeing here. I'm seeing blue. When I put my hand under it, it actually looks purple. So my window is open. I'm going to put it up to my window and see what color it looks like. So it kind of looks purple in the sun. It's a really neat color. That's pretty. Okay. And then, oh, is this going to be the same? 4mm check glass druck Alexandrite. Oh, that's awesome. This one has 50 beads. They're really cool. And then there is 3mm check glass pearl, which is one of these. There is coral luster, and there's 42 beads, and the other one is 3mm check glass pearl mint tea. So I thought that I got one of these. Yeah, I think I did. I got this same strand last month. They're really beautiful. And I got, last month I got this color, but in a 6mm. They're really pretty beads. Love those. And then this strand here, this is pretty. Actually, I like these three together. Those look good together. This one is called 4mm check fire polish matte crystal AB. And it's a 50-piece strand. Those are pretty. And then for the bags, I'm really loving that butterfly. That was pretty. Okay, there is 10mm pewter large hole slider. 2 pieces. This must be it here. And I think I got this before in a bronze color. They're pretty cool. And then we have 4mm check glass druck crystal. 40 pieces crystal. Oh, that's this one. Yeah. Okay, so they're clear drucks, check drucks. And then the next one is 4mm check glass druck matte jet, 40 pieces. Actually got those swapped. Okay. And then, you know what, I actually bought a whole bunch of these to do those 3D beaded snowmen that I did, was it 2 years ago now? The next thing is 6 through 8mm hand cut faceted bead Smoky Quartz. This one? 2 pieces. Hand cut faceted. Oh, it's this one. Yeah. This is a new shape that I have never seen before. That's pretty cool. And of course, these would have to go for earrings. There's 2 of them. So that's probably what I'll do with those. And then 16 by 20mm Jade Butterfly. Which, this one here, I love this piece. It's very pretty. Holes down the center. I think that my aunt gave me these little jade butterflies or moths. They're really small. They're like half the size of this. I wonder if it's the same green color or not. I'll have to check on that. And then we have 46mm brass eye pins, 20. So that's these here. This is a darker gold color, isn't it? Compared to like regular gold eye pins that I have. It looks like they're old, vintage. And then we have 10 or 12mm freshwater square coin pearl. That's these. The hole is going from the side, not the corner. These are pretty. I don't think I've ever seen a square pearl before. A squirrel pearl. I wonder if anyone has a squirrel pearl. That's cool. Okay. Next thing is 10 through 12mm large hole potato pearls. And that's these here. These are flippin' awesome. I wonder if they're selling these as 2 on their site. Or if you can get more of them. Wow, I like the quality of these. These are really pretty. Nice big holes. I wonder what these would be like in a ring. I have several videos where I make rings just using one center bead. There's my fairy tale ring that I did that with. Spiral galaxy ring. I did one with a skull. This could probably be used the same way. It does have a large hole though, so it might not work for some of the designs because the hole's so big. Okay, let's see. Next thing is Faceted Bicone. That's this here. And you know what? I think I might already have this in my stash. 16mm Jet Hematite Snakeskin Travertine. Okay, mine's not Hematite. Mine are black. Jet black. And there's actually, mine are Picasso. There's brown and blue and green through it. That's pretty cool. I think this would look really neat as a tassel. I have several videos where I've done tassels, different kinds of tassels, and I think this would be really neat as the top of a tassel. And it has a big hole, so you can pass the hole several times. And there's this bead here. This is really pretty. This is a 28 through 30 porcelain oval, dusty pink, mauve, or blue. Oh, so there's 3 different colors that it comes in. It's very pretty. This can also be made into a tassel. It has a huge hole, so you can really get a chunky tassel out of this bead here. So I was just checking out these Alexandrite beads more, and I put these in my window, right on my windowsill, and they look purple. They're so pretty. And then I come back over here to my lamp on my desk, and then this blue color. So you guys, if you get this box, you have to check these beads out in the different lighting because they look really cool. They're awesome. So this is it. I will put a link for the dollar bead box down there in the description bar, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.